I might have to break this one up into segments. Day 17, segment. Let's hear the next part. Okay. That sounds like we're gonna be up in the upper register again. What is it? Yeah, that's not bad at all. Just more palm keys. No big deal, Bird. Bird's playing this tune a lot faster than I was hearing it. I mean, he makes it sound so easy. That's tricky. That's a tricky fingering. I have my work cut out for me. You might have your work cut out for you. Let's just take this one slow today. All right, this is 120. I already messed up on the first one. I am getting absolutely smoked by Bird today on this tune. It's killing me. It needs some work. It needs reps. I just need to spend some time with it. That is deceivingly fast. Wow. That segment of practice kicked my butt today. That is a tough tune. Maybe it lays a little bit more favorably on alto, and I wanted to challenge myself to bring it up an octave on tenor. That's one way you can get more out of your practice session. Do something out of your comfort zone. Do something you know that's going to push you and get into that upper range or lower range, depending on where your weaknesses are. Challenge those weaknesses so you can grow each day. This was a very humbling experience today in the practice session. Music can do that to you, which is good. I think it's a good reminder to stay humble and try to realize, hey, there are things you can't do. There are things out of your reach right now. You can't do them yet. The power of yet. I read this great book to my daughter that has the power of yet in it. So if you can't do something, say you can't do it yet. Keep reaching, keep having fun. I'll see you tomorrow with a special guest. Later.